Hi everyone, it's Lissa, and this week I am trying to persuade you on the importance and the necessity for consistent massage therapy in your life. I am a huge believer that everyone, no matter if you're experiencing pain or not, you should be getting consistent massages. I recommend every 4 to 6 weeks, maybe more if you need it, maybe less if you don't, but you will see lasting benefits if you do it on a consistent basis. So I have been a massage therapist for almost 14 years. I'm actually here in my massage therapy room. I do it from home. I have for about the last 4 years. I spent my first 10 years in different salons and spas, and then also in the medical community with chiropractic. And I also know that I have friends that do it with sports massage and stuff too in different medical fields. So I'm going to go over a couple of things that today that come along with massage therapy. First is the stigma of things that come along with massage therapy, but then also immediate relief that you feel as soon as you start doing it on a regular basis, and then long-term effects of getting consistent massage therapy treatments. So I personally have seen a drastic change in myself with headaches and insomnia, and I struggle sometimes with depression, and when I'm getting that consistent massage, that is a huge helper and relief for me when I am able to do that on a consistent basis. So the first thing is the stigma that comes along with massage therapy. Unfortunately, the first thing a lot of people think of are things that are inappropriate. It's just been, in the past, there have been issues with massage parlors, but that's not the medical community that I'm in. That is not medical massage therapy. So once you find yourself a therapist that has their credentials, that has been doing it for a long time, that has all the knowledge of how to help you with your specific body issues, you can get relief, not just physical relief, which it will give you physical relief, but you will also get mind, body, and spirit, is something that I personally have seen in my own life, and then also with my clients that come to me on a regular basis. Along with the inappropriate stigmas that come with massage therapy are some people think it's only something that is for luxury. It's something that posh people do, that's rich people do that. It's not something that regular everyday people need or can put into their lives, but that's just not true. There are so many people that can get it with their health care. If you go to a physical therapist, they'll have things there. They'll have massage therapies there, and the different ways that you can get relief and help if you need help with it monetarily, because it can get expensive. Some people, if you go to a big spa, they can be up to $100 an hour and more. But so if you have a good doctor that can prescribe that for you, you can go to a chiropractic office and get things like that done. So there's sports massage, there's medical massage, there's Swedish deep tissue. I have worked with pregnancy massage for about 10 years. There's infant massage. There are so many different things that you can do with massage therapy to help your body. I have seen women get massage with me throughout their pregnancies, and their labors are easier. And they're like, the first time it was so hard, and this time I felt like my body was ready. And it's because their muscles were relaxed. Their body was prepared in different ways. It wasn't beforehand. So if you find someone that has been trained in pregnancy massage, it's a huge help. It helps with back pain. It helps with digestive issues that they may have. It helps with sleeping, which we all know when you're pregnant, sleeping is a huge problem. And then also you get relief right now when you do massage therapy on a regular basis. I'm not saying that you're going to see relief after your like a constant long-term relief after your first session, but if you get 2 or 3 massages within 2 or 3 months, you're going to see, I'm not getting as many headaches. That's so strange. I am sleeping a full 8 hours. I'm not getting up in the middle of the night. It helps with muscle tension, with headaches. I have a client that struggled with consistent migraines, and he would miss work. So that's something that, he has seen a benefit from. It also helps with digestive issues. And so I've had clients that have fibromyalgia relief, that have had MS relief. So the Mayo Clinic actually talks about how consistent massage therapy helps with anxiety and depression disorders, and also the insomnia, which we've already talked about. And so then we've got the long-term benefits as well. So there was a study done with the Touch Research Institute with ADHD adolescents, where at first they got 10 to 15 minutes of massages for 10 days. And their teachers, after those 10 days, saw incredible results in the classroom. They were able to focus more. They were able to understand the material that was being presented to them by their teachers. And their teachers saw visible, they're sitting in their seats for longer periods of time. They don't have to get up right away. They're able to really engage with the classwork, which is huge, especially as a mom with 2 boys with ADHD. We do massages regularly, and their teachers, I know, appreciate it. So it's a wonderful thing when you do some research, when you find a therapist that knows what they're doing. It's so important to get those long-term benefits. It helps build your immune system. It flushes out all those toxins that stay in your system, and they keep you sick and they keep you down. You immediately can feel drainage when you're getting issues, when you're having like sinus issues, sinus headaches, tension headaches from the pressure in your sinuses. And then once you flush all those out and you keep the toxins moving and you get all those out, it boosts your immune system for lasting effects. And then also stress relief. We all need a little bit of me time. So you've got that alone time. You've got, you're really pouring into yourself. So as a mom, when I can get that 1 hour a month and I come home rejuvenated and I'm able to sleep, it is giving me the gift of being a better mom to my kids. And that's huge. So I am just a huge proponent in everyone, not just, people with tons of money, not with people with chronic problems that need it, and you have to go to a doctor. Every single person will see lasting benefits when they get long-term massage therapy done on them. And so I encourage everyone, find yourself an experienced, licensed massage therapist in your area. Talk to them about the issues that you're having. And I know that they will be able to help you have a lasting, positive experience, mind, body, and spirit. Thank you very much.